BritBox Subscription. BritBox is a subscription-based streaming service specializing in British TV shows, movies, and exclusive originals from BBC, ITV, and other UK networks. It offers both monthly and annual plans with ad-free viewing. First, BritBox subscription plans. Monthly plan, $8.99 per month. US, £5.99 per month. UK, $9.99 per month. Canada. Annual plan, $89.99 per year. US, £59.99 per year. UK, 99 Canadian dollars and 99 cents per year. Canada. 2. Free trial offer. BritBox offers a 7-day free trial for new subscribers. After the trial, the selected plan will automatically start unless cancelled. 3. What's included in the subscription? Ad-free streaming of British TV shows, movies, and documentaries. Content from BBC, ITV, Channel 4, and Channel 5. Exclusive BritBox originals like Why Didn't They Ask Evans and Murder in Provence. Classic British series such as Doctor Who, Classic, Absolutely Fabulous, and Midsummer Murders. Offline downloads, available in some regions. 4. How to subscribe to BritBox. Step 1. Visit BritBox's website or open the BritBox app on a compatible device. Step 2. Click Start Free Trial or Subscribe Now. Step 3. Choose a monthly or annual plan. Step 4. Create an account and enter payment details. Step 5. Start watching BritBox content. 5. Device compatibility. BritBox is available on smart TVs, Samsung, LG, Sony, Roku TV. Streaming devices, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, Chromecast. Gaming consoles, Xbox. Mobile devices, iOS and Android. Web browsers, via the BritBox website. 6. Can you get BritBox through other services? Yes, BritBox is available as an add-on channel through Amazon Prime Video channels, Apple TV channels, Roku channel. 7. Can you cancel anytime? Yes, BritBox is a no-contract subscription, meaning you can cancel at any time without penalties. 8. Are there discounts for students or seniors? BritBox does not offer a student or senior discount at this time. However, annual plans provide savings compared to monthly payments. 9. Is BritBox worth it? For fans of British TV dramas, comedies, mysteries, and exclusive UK content, BritBox offers great value with an extensive library of classic and modern British programming. BritBox is available for $8.99 per month or $89.99 per year with a 7-day free trial. It's an excellent choice for viewers who enjoy British TV series, films, and exclusive UK